we're gonna remove this thing, the plexer and the covers here, screws, and the screws, and open up everything. Okay, folks. So this is the duplexer. I already removed the screw for the duplexer. So we have to remove it to free the space in there. Okay. So dump everything there. You can put everywhere. So when it's your first time to do that, you can organize stuff like according to your memory or how you'll do it. But for me, since I already familiarized the stuff that I want to remove, so this is the part. This is like a paper tray sensor assembly also, mechanical. You have to remove the screw in here, remove the whole thing. So this part of this piece of assembly here, this is the whole unit of DC controller. So it has to be changed. Okay. This is the cause of the problem, like a smudged paper because of lack of power supply, and it causes the paper to smudge or uneven heat. Yeah. So we have to remove this one. Remove this screw in here. Screw like this. That's one. Okay. And remove this one too first. I forgot the names. Screw has been removed, so we have to pull this one out like that. Snap it out. And you can see the whole thing. There's another motor here. This is the motor drive, main motor assembly. This motor, and it's not the gear assembly. So it has a screw in here. Screw. You have to remove it. It's connected to outside. So I think you just have to remove this. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you. One minute. So after removing this part here, it's almost done. The piece of cross have been removed. So the next step we have, there's a connection here between the switch. This is the switch circuit, and be careful not to touch directly, especially your printer is plugged on. This is a direct current, 220 volts direct. You could die electrocuted. Be careful of this stuff. It's direct. Okay, it's 110 or 220 volts. So be careful of that. So the next step, we still have to remove this one. This part here. By continuing, so the screws been removed. Okay, so this one, there's a wire here, piece of high tension wire. Not really high tension wire, but main board is the control wire. Connects to the. Now after removing the piece here, I don't think I have to remove this whole thing, but okay. So this is the piece already. I have to remove the high tension wire. This is the high tension wire. Yeah, sorry. Should have put the first time. So it does like this way, and there's a connector here for the sensor assembly. This is the sensor, like distributing powers as well. So this is the whole piece of the DC controller. And it causes the jam. See this origami part, this is dirty. You have to clean it one too. Once you open, Imagine, look at that, how the Japanese people are doing, how their knowledge are. This is amazing how they invent this thing. Well, Japanese people are really good, but you know, we can make it shortcut, direct, or summarize everything how to fix it. Okay.